Hello student, this is the second video of the SST class 4th, chapter 7 India Climate. India is home to a variety of climatic regions. We have the Thar Desert in the northwest and the Himalayas in the north. These geographical conditions create climatic differentiation. We get weather information through newspaper, radio and TV. We must know that weather is about day-to-day change in the atmosphere. It depends on an hour-to-hour change in temperature, air pressure, rainfall and sunshine. For example, it may be hot or cold, sunny or cloudy, windy or calm. Here's some picture. You must have noticed that when it is hot continuously for several days, you do not need any warm clothing. You also like to eat or drink cold things. On the other hand, during cold days, you could like to have something hot to eat and woolen clothes to wear. Climate is an average atmospheric condition of an area over a long period of time. India is experienced tropical and subtropical type of climate. Location, psychography, monsoon, wind and the country latitudinal and longitudinal extent affect the climate. जो क्लाइमेट है वो एक एटमॉस्फेरिक कंडीशन है एरिया की फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड. Now let's talk about the season. Broadly, the major seasons recognized in India are cold weather season, winter, December to February; hot weather season, summer, March to mid-June; hot west monsoon season, rainy, mid-June to September; season of retreating monsoon, autumn, October and November. The winter season starts roughly in the month of November and continue up to the middle of March. During winter season, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. The coastal areas are comparatively warm even in this month. There are heavy snowfall in the Himalayas mountain range. January is the coldest month of the season. South India remains cool during the winter season. In the sandy region of the Rajasthan, it is cold at night during winter because bare soil cools more quickly than soil with vegetation cover. Now come to the summer season. During summer season, the general weather remains hot and dry almost throughout the country. We experience the summer season in the month of April, May and June. At this time, the sun is overhead and it is a period of increasing temperature. During summer season, hot and dry wind called Loo blows in the northwestern part of India. Dust storms are common. People visit hill stations to experience cool and pleasant weather. The coastal areas are less hot due to the influence of cool wind coming from the sea. In the desert region, it is extremely hot and the weather is unbearable. Some part of India like Assam gets small amount of rainfall during the summer season. Now let's talk about the rainy season. The rainy season starts immediately after the summer season. There is a heavy rainfall in the some part of India even in the month of June. This is due to the influence of the monsoon wind which blow from sea to land. They bring dark cloud and thus give heavy rainfall. There are two branches of the monsoon wind, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. Malabar coast is the first to get rainfall from the monsoon wind. By the middle of July, there is a rainfall in almost every part of India. The rainy season lasts from the middle of June to October. The western coast of India gets more rainfall than the western coast. Mysooram is the Meghalaya get the maximum rainfall. It is also famous as the wettest place of the world. Rajasthan and Ram of Kutch is Gujarat get very little rainfall. Now, season of retreating monsoon or autumn. From October to November, southwest monsoon wind move back from the mainland of India. This is the season of the retreating monsoon. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in this season. As earlier discussed, the climate of India has broadly been described as monsoon type. Monsoon is taken from the Arabic word mausim, which means seasonal reversal of the wind. Due to India's location in the tropical region, most of the rain is brought by monsoon wind. Agriculture in India is dependent on rain. Good monsoon means adequate rain and a bountiful crop. Now talk about the factor affecting climate. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, distance from the sea, and relief. Therefore, we experience regional differences in the climate of India. Jaisalmer and Bikaner in Rajasthan are very hot, while Dras and Kargil in Jammu Kashmir are freezing cold. Coastal places like Mumbai and Kolkata experience moderate climate. They are neither too hot or too cold. Being on the coast, these places are very humid. Mysooram in Meghalaya received the world highest rainfall, while in the particular year it might not rain at all in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan. This is all about that. It's a fact of a climate zone. You can see a map of climate zone. Now some cookies. Climate, average weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Drought, a long period of time in which there is no rainfall. Lu, hot dry wind which blow in summer. Weather, day-to-day change in the atmospheric condition. Monsoon wind, wind that bring rainfall. Retreating monsoon, moving back of monsoon wind. Frigid, a very cold in temperature. Let's just revise again. Now, the climate is influenced by the location of the place where we live. The main season in our country are winter season, summer season, rainy season, and the season of retreating monsoon called autumn. During summer, the weather remains generally hot and dry. The winter season starts roughly in the month of November and continue up the middle of March. The climate of a place is affected by its location, altitude, and distance from the sea. Now, kids, this is a chapter about the climate condition. I told you all about this. Some again I told you in device again. This way we have a winter season which is called cold, which you always seen about on the December. Now the summer season, it's your summer holiday kind of like May and June. Then some rainy season about on July, and some autumn season is about on September time. You can make a report of the area or of these time when you were seeing this. Report a daily changes of a weather or a climate in your areas. Record it and practices you can see by yourself as a practical you can do. Till now, tata.